Hello friends, today we'll learn colors. Colors. We'll be learning colors. Yes. How do we sign colors? Your hands open, then bring it down to the jaw and colors. Colors. We have different type of colors, right? So we'll be learning them today. The first is, let's say, diamond. Your DN. Diamond. 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 Then we have, you touch your ear where the earrings used to stay and bring it out to form Y. Gold. 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 Then we have silver. You touch your ear and bring it out. Silver. 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 Then which other color do we have? We have pink, pink, pink. Then we have red. Some put their R and red, and some do red, red, red. Whichever way, your R and red, or your index finger red, red. Then we have other colors like blue, blue, blue. Then we have brown, brown, brown. Then we have gray, 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 gray. Then we have white, white, white. Then we have black. Your bro, you touch it, black, black, black. Then we have wine, wine, wine. Then we have green, green, green. We have yellow, yellow, yellow. And we also have dark blue, dark blue, dark blue. We have orange, orange. As if you're drinking your orange. Orange. Thanks for watching. Keep looking out for more video. Bye.